All right, I'm gonna do a little Dollar Tree emergency flashlight haul. These are these little taper candles I got. They take AAA batteries. It's 2 AAAs. I'm gonna show you how well they light things up. Not too bad. Turn these off. All right, then got this lantern. This is like the first setting, and then you can turn it up brighter. Sorry, the room's messy, but I don't really care. It's not bad, right? Okay. Next one. Flashlight thingy. This one's pretty good, right? $150. And then you go like this. Use it as a flashlight, but you can honestly just throw it in the middle of the room. So we're all $1.50. And then I got like a 24 pack of AA batteries for $1. Anyway, who thinks it's actually gonna storm tomorrow? And who thinks we're actually gonna lose power? And who thinks you're gonna have some exploding trees in your backyard?